There's so much beauty and magic waiting to be unlocked, a story to be told. I see so many possibilities. I see a door in our minds waiting to take us to unknown lands. Together we can find rest in the deep ocean of love. I see all the cages, but I see so much infinity in the poetry all around, telling us a story. It's the conflict of life, the conflict of belief. How does someone break through the voices of lies to an imagination unchained by the story of love? Time is held together in light, holding the light of the universal story beyond time, waiting to color us so we can dance with love's poetry forever.